Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I want to show you an easy and fun craft for kids with parents' help or an adult's help. And it's these little candy cane reindeer. So simple but fun to do and something you could definitely do with your kids or grandkids. So I just have a regular candy cane, traditional Christmas candy. And what I'm going to do is get a piece of shaded spruce cardstock. And I'm going to take my sprig punch and punch 2 sets of antlers out of shaded spruce, which I know isn't the natural color, but it's a Christmas project, so we're going to make it fun. Okay, and then for the eyes, I am using these assorted googly eyes that were in the Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog for the Halloween suite, but perfect for this, okay? And you have different sizes and lots of white eyes, so perfect for this. I already have mine mounted on a piece of strip of glue dots, and I'm just going to peel one off there, and then I'm going to come down on the side. Now for kids, I would let them use their little fingers. They could do this very easily, but with my nails and... Okay, I need another glue dot. You can always re-stick with another glue dot if you're finding it's not staying just right. Go ahead and put another glue dot on there. That's what I'm doing. And give it a press. And then we have the other one right here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put another glue dot on it. Okay? And then they can take their little fingers and put it on just like that. And tell them to press a little bit. If you press too hard, it caves in the eyes, the little clear dome. But that's okay. It still looks cute. Okay, so we've got our little wiggly eyes, googly eyes. Now I'm going to take each of these sprigs, and I'm going, at the bottom here, I'm going to press on a glue dot. So you could have this ready for them just like this. Okay, then they take it off carefully, or you can do it for them. Hand it to them. And then they're just going to press it over here with what they call their head. And you just press down on that glue dot. You see how it's kind of bent back? And then you can help them gently fold those back a bit. Okay, let's do this one. Take it off, hand it to them, and just put it on. Fun, fun. Okay, isn't that cute? I thought it was super cute. Now for the nose, I'm using a red rhinestone. If you have the holiday rhinestones with those cherry cobbler rhinestones in there, you can use that. Or if you have the white rhinestones and some alcohol markers, you can color it, or even a red Sharpie will color those. So there's our little red nose. And then to dress it up a little bit, and they'll probably need your help on this, get some Whisper White Baker's twine or a thin ribbon, okay? And cut off a good length of it. And what I do is I tie a knot, and I can twirl this around to the front or position it once it's done, but I just lay the candy cane down so it's easier to tie. Okay, so that's pretty secure on there. Then I'm going to get our jingle bells and get one of the spruce jingle bells. And then they can do this. Hold that for them and have them push through, or you have them hold the bell and you push the ribbon through. And then you just tie a bow. And this is a fun little gift they could give to their friends, but even cuter, I think, hang it on the Christmas tree, and then they can have the candy cane on Christmas Day. See, isn't that fun and so easy? So get your kids involved in the crafting in these days leading up to the holiday. and maybe they're home from school, you could do this as a little activity one day. Okay? It's fun. It's cute. Try it. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com for more ideas, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.